Hello, so I'm making another bike check. It's let's see. So I'll just start. This was a like a junior mountain bike sort of. Let's see, I got, I don't know, 2008. It's just been hanging in my garage. So I converted it to a fixed gear today. I just, took off the chain and stuff. So now it's a fixed gear. Let's see, this is 7. It's in 4th gear, 4 and 2 permanent gears. And let's start off with the frame. It's a Apostle K2 frame, and let's say designed 100% real steel frame, designed in the USA. Yeah, go USA. I'm riding Tektro brake, just the brake that came with the bike. I took off the front one, and I completely stripped all the shifting mechanisms, so no more of that. Let's see what else. I'm riding Kenda, both tires are Kendas. What does that say? Shimano, I don't know how you say that. Gears, both front and back. I do need to get new cranks and obviously grips, and there's really no seat, so kind of you don't really sit down on this bike. I'm planning to get new pedals, new cranks, and I'm gonna take off the gears I'm not using, and get a seat obviously, and seat clamp and grips. So if you guys want to suggest parts, I will gladly read those. But otherwise, like the girls, I'm probably just gonna get ODIs like I have them on my BMX bike. And I was thinking about running pegs on this, but then I was like, nah, because that would have been funny to have pegs on a mountain bike. Guess I don't see why not. It's more of a BMX bike now, so I'm gonna get probably a new fork sometime, and new stem and stuff. So new bottom bracket. So if you guys just want to suggest parts, don't mind. I'll read those. And so yeah, this is my K2 Apostle. How do you say that? I don't know. I forgot how to say that also. Bike check. And yeah, so leave comments in the leave a comment and like it. I know it sucks, but I just converted it today with bike chain breaker. So that's all I really did do it. But oh yeah, and this is my custom bolt that I just cut. Didn't come with the frame, I lost that one. But so thanks for watching, and yeah.